What's up, guys? Today I just want to demonstrate how to install Remix OS 2.0. That one is based on Android Marshmallow. Remix OS 2.0 based on Android Marshmallow 6.0. I want to demonstrate how you can install it on your Surface Pro 4. I have not tried this myself. You see, this is Surface Pro 4. I have not really tried this myself. Before I proceed, I need to remove the card, because while installing software can damage other things there, because I'm not trying to install on the card. I just want to install on flash drive. That's my advice. If you want to try this, I'm not saying you should try this yourself, but if you want to try this, I would advise you not to try this on your main device. It's just a trying thing, and that is the reason why I've got this flash 64 gig ultra flash drive 3.0. You will need a flash drive if you want to install it on a flash drive, unless you want to install it on a hard drive. I don't want to chance it because my Surface is still on warranty and I don't want to ruin that. From what I read so far, just before I do this, obviously I've made some series of research. I read that the keyboard is not functioning, and some people say it functions. So because of that, I might need to use this multi-USB reader. I might need to use it, because if I connect this to the Surface, then I can connect keyboard, mouse, and other thing, you know. So if the touch cover keyboard is not working, because there will be driver issue, but I've checked the website and they said everything is working fine, so I'm not taking any chances for now. And I'm going to start now. The first thing you will need to do, obviously, you're going to format your flash drive to FAT32. I'm going to rip up the flash drive now. I'm just going to open it. You have to format it to FAT32. That is what I read online. And bear in mind, I've not tried this myself. I'm only doing this because somebody asked me if I've tried Remix OS on Surface, and I said, okay, I will give it a go. I'm going to put the flash drive there. So where I'm going to now format the flash drive. Oh my guys, back up your file. I got some file here. I think I'm just gonna copy it, because I think these are free backup to the cloud from SanDisk, and if I format the flash, I think that's gonna go away. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go create a new folder, and then I'm just gonna copy everything there so that I don't lose it, because I'm gonna obviously need a flash for something else. So it's D. Let's see if it's formatted. It's FAT32 anyway, and then anyway, if you're installing anything on there, it's gonna warn you that it's gonna delete everything. So I'm just gonna format it. Let me just rename the flash as Remix OS. Remix OS is based on Android, and from what I read so far, the claiming is better than Windows, but I don't see how that's possible. But anyway, this is an experiment, so we are going to see if this is better than Windows or not in a short while. Then the next thing you want to do is just to go to the website. You want to go to the website, it's jai.com. That's the website. See, then you want to head to the Remix OS for PC, you know. Then you will now download either 64-bit or 32-bit, but I've already done all this, so I'm just going to go straight into this. So now this is the file. I've already extracted it to the desktop, so I'm going to run it. That's it. So it's asking me where do I want to put it. I want to put it on the USB flash drive, of course. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Then I've already renamed it, so let me check, because okay, I've removed the memory card, so that's it. So now I need to find the ISO file, which is on the desktop too. This is the ISO file, the Remix OS. You will see 3 files if you extract the download thing from the Remix website. Sorry about that. So Okay, secure boot is turned on. So I need to turn off secure boot. You know, secure boot is what Microsoft did with the Surface, that nobody else can install anything without my permission. So in order to do that, I think I'm just gonna go into settings. You need to go into settings to do this secure boot thing, and you need to come to recover. You need to go to the advanced startup before you can do the secure boot. Just gonna camera from there. Restart anyway, because what I want to do now is I want to turn off secure boot. That's what I want to do. Then I need to come here. I need to go to advanced. Then this is where I'm going. UEFI firmware settings. Then I will need to restart that too, because if you want to do secure boot, that is what, if you want to turn off secure boot, that is what you have to do. You know, now this is the BIOS. So I will need to come here. Device, boot manager. Where is the secure boot? Sorry, okay. Wait a minute. Security. Yeah, this is it. That will set it to none. So with this, I should be able to boot, install the Remix OS. Now you can see the icon at the top of the screen is showing unlocked. If you can see that red bar is showing unlocked. But I would advise you need to know what you're doing if you're gonna do this. Please, you have to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, I'm sorry, I haven't advised anybody to do this. You have to know what you are doing. That's it. So this is just my own thingy. I'm not saying you have to do this. If you spoil your device, please, I can't be held responsible, because you have to do this at your own risk. You need to know what you're doing. Now it seems everything is going well. As you can see, the secure boot is gone, and that's it. I'm extracting to the flash drive, the 64 gig flash drive. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna let this finish. Then I think I have to turn on this F function key, because I remember sometimes the function key don't always work on Surface if it's not on. So if you're using Microsoft Surface, you need to turn on the function key on your laptop, on your Surface. It's a laptop. For me, it's just a compact laptop, I would say. So I'm just waiting for this to extract the files needed into the flash drive. As you can see, that's what's doing. I've never experienced this. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I hope it doesn't take long, you know. So this is the first time I'm actually trying this myself. So let's see how long it's gonna take anyway. Okay, it seems it's not too, it's not too bad. So now oh my days, it didn't let me choose boot. I have to restart the PC again. Do you know why? Oh, it found me quickly. It's too quick. This Windows LO is too fast. You know, I have to restart it. It didn't let me choose where to boot from. This is going to be a problem, because I've never installed on Surface and I don't know what key, but usually it's F11, F9, F12. Sometimes it's F2. On Lenovo is F8. You can see this is a big problem now. Still the problem, still the same thing. It's not letting me. As you can see, I'm tapping the key. It's not letting me. It should have let me choose where to boot from, but still I'm gonna quickly hide my face so that it doesn't see me. I have to restart this again. I think what I'm gonna need to do is just to check what function key you have to press. Otherwise I might not be able to get this. I will just keep restarting and restarting. I think I'm gonna give it the last attempt, and I will just quickly check online, then I will resume the video, you know. But we're on track. Still, I think it's gone past. I think it's gone past. It's too fast to go into booting. And with this, if I cannot select the flash, I mean, that defeats the purpose of everything, you know, if you cannot select what flash you want to use. So guys, I'm just gonna come back and, you know, I need to check what I need to do, what key, function key I need to press to go into boot manager. Otherwise I won't be able to boot from the USB flash drive. Alright guys, I finally figured it out. I think the best way to do is you can't press no function key. What I did was, from what I found out online, was before you can go into the USB boot, to boot from the USB rather, you will need to hold down the power button, the volume down button. You need to hold this down, the volume down, you hold it down. After you've held it down, then you now press the power button and release the volume down button. Then it will take you, it will automatically know you boot it from the USB flash drive. So this is the menu of the Remix OS. So I'm just going to select the resident mode because I want it to save all my files and apps data. So I press enter. So let's see. Say Android 86. If you can see that on the screen. So it's running it. Okay. Finding it difficult to focus because they're so tiny on the screen, you know. But anyway, it's just a tutorial, and you can always just do this yourself. You don't need to see. Now it's loading Remix OS. So that is it. So hopefully this will boot into Remix OS, and I'm gonna try it for the first time, see how it look. To be honest, I don't have the plan to keep this on the flash drive, but you never know. I can be impressed by the so-called Remix OS 2.0. It's just like you're running Android on your Surface, and from all the information I gather, the touchscreen doesn't work for the Surface. You have to use a keyboard. So you see, that's the reason why I'm not going to be keeping that. So it's still, you know, I told you. Oh, cool. So that's the screen. It's asking me to select my language. You can't really see this on the screen, I'm afraid. You know, you can't really see those tiny details. They're so small. You can't really see. Okay, that's it. Select your language. It's only Chinese and English United States that you can select at the moment. So agree. Okay, it's asking me for Wi-Fi. On the key touch, I don't know. Okay, so that's the setup, as you can see. So this is Remix OS, guys. If you want to launch Remix OS on your Surface, if you want to install it on your Surface, this is the way you can go about it. That is it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. Like I said, that's the menu. It's so small, you know. So that is it. That's Google browser, Chrome browser, and it takes you to the giant website. You know, you see, I can't use touchscreen, I can't use pen. I'm sure this is a driver issue. Nothing is working for pen and touch. It's just basically you using your keyboard. I don't know if I'll be able to download Google applications, you know. I don't know for now if I'll be able to download Google's apps. But these are the remix. This is YouTube. So this is kind of like their games and their app store, you know. uTorrent, YouTube, eBay, Facebook. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see what's up on YouTube. You have to download it. So this they're kind of their own thing. And they even have Microsoft Outlook. There's Microsoft Word. Is it free? Can't believe it. This Google Drive. I mean, if Microsoft Office are free, this will be very good. Even there is WhatsApp. I mean, it's so small. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you should be able to see the logo. From the logo, you can tell which is which. You know, that's it on the screen there. This is interesting, you know. I'm beginning to think twice about this Remix OS. I don't know how fast it is. It's kinda interesting. Let's go to, but the touchpad is a little bit delayed. I understand why, because it's not designed for Remix OS. It's a little bit delayed, and I don't know why. Oh, look at that! Did you see that? Oh, you can't. This is similar to you get on Android. I can read it out. Package installer isn't responding. Do you want to close it? Wait. Okay. If you wait, you can wait forever. If you say okay, you just close it. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's package installer. I don't know what is installing. But all I did was I went to YouTube. Okay, now I finally load YouTube. You know, this is YouTube website, and I've got to download. To be honest, it's so small. The resolution is terrible. I don't know if there's a way to change the resolution. I don't know. But that is Remix OS, guys. I shall be okay. System update. I don't know what is system update. Option current version. Automatic install update. I think okay, I have to check for update. Sorry, there's no way this will replace Windows if this is Remix OS, unless there's something else. Fair enough, if you want to try Android on your computer, yes, you can do this. But saying this is going to replace Windows, I would take it as a joke of the year. Sorry. Even there's Pokemon Go. And can I install it? Wow, yeah, you can actually install it, you know. Okay. Seems you have root. Would you like to allow install after the app download? Okay. Allow. Allow. I don't know what's happening, but it's saying super user granted. Seems you've root. I don't know how Pokemon Go will function on on the laptop, to be honest, but it's not even downloading. So that's one thing. Let's see, change wallpaper, display settings. Okay, maybe I can change the resolution because this is too small, you know. I think that's just Remix OS, guys. If you want me to go into further details about it, just let me know, and I hope this helped the guy that asked for it. Oh, so what do you mean? Pokemon Go have launched already? Is this a joke? It's This is funny, you know, and it's so small, even smaller than normal screen. This is like 2.5 inches screen, you know. Wow, I can't believe it. GPS signal not found. There is GPS built into Microsoft Surface Pro 4. I'm guessing is because there is no driver for it. So for me, Remix OS is a good project, but I don't think it's ready. You know, you see, I wanted to quit, but I just decided to stay because this app actually load. I can't believe it. I just want to see how it look. At least you gotta see how it look. Even if you're gonna quit, you just have to see how it look. You know, let's see. I think it's taking forever, but I don't think it's gonna play like the normal one. You know, even play activator, settings, MS player. Okay, this is Microsoft Word. Allow. Is it free? I'll be surprised if Office is free. You know, this is going to attract a lot of people to start using this. The fact that you have to pay for Office yearly now. Microsoft Office is not free. Sorry, it's not free. Even if you sign up for free, you only get the basic version just to read. You won't even get the, you know, you won't get the real deal. You can't edit. I've tried the free version before I actually paid. You can't. So this is not free. Sorry, it's not free. I feel there's a problem with the resolution, that's for sure, definitely. And Pokemon Go is still loading, as you can see. Nothing is happening. I want to sign in with Google. You know, it's not letting me. It's not letting me, so I don't know why. So, and the touchpad is horrible. It keeps jumping. You know, it's so small. It kept jumping. I suppose if I remove the flash drive, everything will go off. But I'm not going to do that just yet. So, I think that is it, guys. That's just what Remix OS 2.0 look like. I mean, if you want to try out, it's up to you. I'm not advising you to do this, and I'm not saying don't. But this is Remix OS 2.0. I've not seen the reason why this is better than Windows. Maybe it is, I don't know, but I've not seen the reason why they claim it's better than Windows. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry about the delay how to boot from the flash drive, and I think that's all I got today. I shall be seeing you next time in my next video. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye.